Hey guys, I was just practicing my reel dances because with Instagram growing at a tremendous rate, reels are becoming the new popular thing. Like forget about TikTok, reels is like going and growing so exponentially big right now. And with Instagram announcing that they are going to have a creator fund of $1 billion and they're going to invest by the end of 2022, where creators can earn money through reels by completing different milestones. Instagram is a new thing, so it's time to join the bandwagon. And here is how we started it. Hey, I'm Debashish Conger from PitchGround, and today we're going to learn about how to make your reels be spectacular. Before we jump down to everything, let's understand the reel algorithm. So the reel algorithm basically works on your likes and interests. So if you are engaging with a particular type of content, that will be shown more on your reels, they'll be recommended more, and how you engage with the content and how you engage with the content creator itself. And that's how the whole algorithm works. If you engage with them and their engagement history, their people they have interacted with, and that's how your entire reel community is built. But Instagram is also very particular about some types of things that they don't want to show or don't want to recommend. Firstly, low resolution reels. Instagram does not like low resolution things, so those are cancelled out. Second is watermarked like videos. Like if you are taking your video from TikTok or some other video sharing platform and they have that watermark, Instagram will stop recommending it. So remove the watermark, repurpose it, and that's easier. And third, which is very very important, is they do not promote anything that has to do with a political party agenda or on behalf of a political party if a reel is created. So these are the points that you have to focus on, not to be on the verge of it. So let's move on forward and how to make engaging reel content. It should be entertaining and fun and delightful. It should provide a certain kind of value to your watchers, your viewers, and that's how a reel really works. Like if in Instagram you like something and it actually genuinely makes you happy, then obviously Instagram will recommend it to you and you'll also share it, and that's how you make engaging content. It should be happy, it should be fun, it should be delightful, and also it shouldn't be that moody or dark. It should have a zest of life into it. Yeah, a very important thing about making a reel go viral is it should be inspiring. Maybe you can start a whole trend by your own self, and that's how the whole algorithm will work towards you. Like it should be inspiring, it should be engaging, people can participate into it. And also to engage your post more, you can do something like that's been engaging, like many of those TikTok dances like this like this, and any of those dances, if you do them, you will get those traction. Use popular audios, and there are a lot coming in. A lot of creators are focusing on Instagram, putting their music in, and you might have your favorite creators on Instagram and you might use their songs to make reels and they can notice you. And how amazing would that be? Use creative tools like text, filters, creative transitions and all. Transition videos are so cool. Some of them examples are given here. But also reels are very into text, providing value, right? And there are so many filters that Instagram provides. You have millions of filters and you need to go through the ones you like, and those the thing that this can provide some value to my reel, or it will make my reel look more exciting. Or if you don't want to use Instagram filters, there's always other apps like Prequel is an amazing app. You can use so many different ways to curate your content and create your content, and they have so many other filters. And always vertical videos like this one, like this, not this. Okay, so always use vertical videos, because in reels like Instagram stories and Snapchat stories and Facebook stories and WhatsApp stories, everything should be vertical, because that's the platform should. The ratio is 9:20 if anyone is wondering. And so make your reels in that ratio, vertical, not horizontal, because horizontal reels are not very pushed or recommended. So that's one more. Use the Instagram audio library. There are tons of creators, like I mentioned previously. Trending audios will make your reel pop. But the most important thing is using the right song to the right tune. Okay, imagine you're using a very sad and moody song in a very lively setting, then that won't match the vibe, right? So next you have to find the perfect suit. There's a lot of songs on the audio library that Instagram provides, or you can create your own audio. That's also a new thing, like you're using your own voice. That's a new audio, and you can change your audio tones, like hey, like oh, ah. But you know, making something that's original is always perfect. The last, but you know, certainly not the least, experiment with different things. Do transitions, do songs, do dances, like create your own dances. You never know. Try experimenting with different things. Try photo hacks, try different writing styles, but you know, just be yourself, experiment, have fun, because in the end, when you're having fun doing what you're doing, you know, everything else follows. Okay, that's a very motivational thing, but yes, with reels you're having fun, you're doing something nice, and you're creating on the go, and that's how you get popular on reels. I hope this video helped you out, and if I hope it helped you out, because we are going to keep coming up with more content like this that will help you grow your Instagram reels, your Instagram account, and you as a person too. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, comment, and tell us what is your favorite reel trend right now.